What's up, guys? FPV here, and today we have our February 2021 FPVCRATE box. And if you don't know what these are already, these are FPV drone subscription boxes that you can get from FPVCRATE, and every month they go ahead and they send you some awesome goodies, all surrounding like 5-inch quads pretty much. So if you're interested in checking out one of these boxes or picking one up, I'll be leaving a link down below. It is an affiliate link. It does help support the channel, help support me. So I would appreciate if you guys do pick up one of these boxes to use that link. I do understand that looks like Quadbox is no longer, so I know a lot of guys are actually looking at another subscription box to purchase just to have some extra parts laying around. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this box, see exactly what we got, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below what you thought about this month's box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box. Get my razor blade here. And I did notice that they changed the boxes, and I actually really like these boxes a lot better. They look really cool. I like the graphics and everything. So send it pretty cool. So we get this little wrap stuff out of here. And let me see if I can make this a little better. Okay. So we got our little thank you notes. We got some stickers that they send in every month's box. These stickers I actually really like, so I'll be putting these up probably behind me. So you probably see these in maybe a future video. But cool. And then we also got a little note here. Let's see. We'll read that after. We'll see what that says. And then we got some props. We got some Moonlight LED props V2. We got, looks like we got one set of those. Is that right? So it looks like we got one set of the Moonlight props, which I actually thought about picking them up. And then I was like, I don't know if I really would see them, because you have to fly at night, and you're not technically supposed to fly at night in the United States without a waiver. So keep that in mind if you're going to be flying at night. And then also we got some of these props. We got some Hurricane 5140-66 props. I don't think I've ever tried these ones. These look really cool. They're like smoke white. Kind of neat. Then we also got a shirt, and also we got an X-Acto knife. Looks like they're talking about the razor blades here, so we'll probably read that real quick. But this is an X-Acto knife. I have tons of these knives. So T-Motor Pacer single-sided flight controller F7 is what we got. So let's take a look at this flight controller real quick. See if I can show you without the sticker in the way. It says single-sided, huh? I don't know what that means. Single-sided. Looks like both sides are solderable. But it is a nice flight controller, nonetheless. The F7, so it's definitely current. So if you are actually coming over from Quadbox, I know Quadbox actually stopped. So unfortunately, I love that box. Those quad boxes, it's just the value wasn't there with them. That's why, I kind of stuck with FPVCRATE, because I really did feel like I was getting some like new parts. And this is an example right here. This is an F7 flight controller. And actually, I don't even think I've ever seen this flight controller before, even for sale yet. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section down below. But that's a flight controller we got. And then we also got a shirt. Let's go ahead and check that out. So we'll take all this little stuff out. Okay. Oh, this is a really cool shirt. Let me show you guys. So it has a quad. This is how we roll. I like it. This is a really cool shirt. I like it a lot. This is probably one of my favorites now. Up there with all the other ones. Cool. And then, of course, we got some like little things here. Rules are not fun, but due to shipping restrictions, we are unable to include the batteries for the GemFan Moonlight props. Okay, so we have to buy the batteries now. That kind of stinks. And then also we got get 7% off. We're using this code. I think this was the same code that was in the sub 250 box that I unboxed. And if you're interested in those sub 250 boxes, they actually set you up with like, this is like more of 5-inch quad stuff. If you're looking for something smaller, check out the FPVCRATE sub 250. I'll be leaving some playlists down below if you want to check out what comes in those boxes. And then this is that letter that they sent. Pretty much it says, we hope you enjoy this month's crate. We would have love nothing more than to supply some blades for your Luminary X-Acto knife, but shipping blades around the world is frowned upon by most customs agencies. So looks like they just had to include. Pretty much, let's see here. By the time you read this, we'll have blades available for you at FPVCRATE.com. Feel free to visit our store and add some to your order at no cost. Limited to 1 case per order. Okay, that's pretty cool. See, I like how they come through when there's a different, there's some, problems or something going on and they just can't figure it out, hey, got some free X-Acto knife blades. I'll be picking those up. And I probably might as well go on there and pick up some batteries for those props. But this is pretty much February 2021 FPVCRATE. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. But I'll let you guys go. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe, like my video, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.